Hi, it's Trevor and Amy Smith with Coldwell Banker Select and Smith Team Luxury Real Estate. Welcome home to 332 Aspen Leaf Lane.
This is an exceptional setting with the utmost privacy, located at the end of a unique private drive and at low elevation.
Please join us for a tour of this beautiful home. As you enter this home, you will immediately see the forest and lake views through the floor-to-ceiling windows. This is complemented by the additional natural light provided by the numerous skylights located throughout the house.
Everything you need is on the main living level, including the master bedroom, kitchen, and dining area, plus private decks.
The current owner has enjoyed hosting many parties over the years here, so it's great space for entertaining.
This home flows downstairs to the family room. This level includes 2 bedrooms, a shared bath, and 1 ensuite bedroom. There is an additional bonus space workshop and storage area with built-in cabinets.
Access to the backyard is off the family room through a covered deck with peak lake views.
The backyard is a terraced and landscaped oasis. This area also includes a paver patio dining area, water feature, and additional seating areas.
What a great spot to celebrate the Tahoe lifestyle and watch the sunset. Cheers to the lake life. Please contact Smith Team Luxury Real Estate for a private tour.